In today's video, I'll show you a simple trick on how to delete Telegram search history. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop and go to the chat list. At the top of the Telegram window, you'll see the search option. Click on the search field to open it. When you click inside the search box, Telegram may display your recent searches. These are previous searches you've made inside the application. If you want to remove a specific search, look at the recent search list and find the search term you want to delete. Right-click and select Remove from Recent from the options, and that particular search will be removed from your recent search history. If you want to clear the entire recent search history, right-click and select Clear All from the options, and Telegram may display a confirmation message asking whether you want to remove your recent searches. Confirm the action to clear the search history. Once the process is complete, your previous searches should no longer appear when you open the search field. It's also important to understand that clearing your search history is different from deleting messages or chats. And that's how quick it is to keep your search privacy intact on Telegram. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more workflow tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.